Yes, I am here. I'm my nephew, and I love my nephew. He is called Nathan. There we go. Hello, Nathan. Hello. Who's that? Is that you? Okay, he's messing about the computer. Let's see if we can make a noise. Nathan, what would you like to listen to? He's not really into music yet, but you know, when you start singing, he's going to try and sing on top of you. He's only 11 months, and he's turning 1 next month, which is June, isn't it? Is that right, Nathan? Okay. But he needs to sleep. I'll put him to bed in a minute. Basically, what I was trying to do before is I was trying to make myself a video, but then someone knocked on my door. Unfortunately, it's this little one. It's this hobbit. Not really. He's not really a hobbit, not. Nathan, what would you like to listen to? Love you, love you, love you. I don't know what else to say. Let's see if we can try and sing him. I'm quite sure he's not going to behave, but let's try. I know that you've been waiting for it. I'm waiting too. In my imagination, I'll be all over you. I'll never be one for 102. Boy, you know I feel the same temperature. If there's a camera up in you, then it's gonna believe in me. I do. If there's a camera, you choose. I'm really bad at this. I can't concentrate. Right, that means Nathan, you have to say bye then to them. Bye. 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 Aww. Isn't he cute? Anyway, I've got to go. I'm so sorry for the feedback.